Alright, so we gotta put a sink here. So 18 inches off this wall, 4 inches out is what I was told, with the drain here. Come in here. Is it right here we're putting the shelf?
Yeah.
Shelf right there for a hot water heater to set on. It gonna be wet. Ooh, she peeing. Here's the hot water heater. We were told to put it on a shelf right here. So I guess that's what we're gonna do. Just kidding, no shelf. We have a mounting bracket. Setup got a little water hydrant for a mop bucket on the side. Still gotta get some brackets for this. Should go something like that. A little more straight though, of course. Something like that. But yeah, all done. We got the sink right here. All we gotta do is run up the cold and we're done. And we're done. Makes it look like we wasted a bunch, but it's just the end of the road.
Huh?